Welcome to all our partners and colleagues and friends.
It is with the greatest pleasure I'm joining this kickoff for our new exciting international project, One for All, the global 3D printing.
Yes, I'm happy to be part.
It's so wonderful to see the long-term collaborations that have stemmed from Oakton's participation in the Illinois Consortium for International Studies and Program.
This kickoff is organized very well, so this promises a lot of good things for the future.
3D printing as such, the production method and the materials are more sustainable than conventional ways of producing things. When I have a design made here, you can print it in Detroit, so I don't need to ship it. I don't only can print one, and if I reiterate it, so I make a new version of it, you can actually print two different ones and not having a lot of things in stock I need to, throw away later on. And in itself, the production method and the materials are more sustainable than conventional ways of producing things. I mean, you don't need to be in one location and in a fabric these days anymore. You can really work together.
What do you think of this project?
Ja, ik vind het leuk en goed om te bedenken hoe je de wereld zou kunnen veranderen. Ik heb een blokje gemaakt met breien.
Why Brian?
Ik kwam op een station iemand tegen die blind was. En die kon er niet langs, want dat was afgesloten. En ik vond dat er wat aan gedaan moest worden.
Wow, very good.
I think it gives a lot of energy and experiences for the students. I think it's ahead of time. You have to be in an international community because technology is improving all the time, and it's not only in the Netherlands, it's broader than that.
2, 1, let's go!
This is the first building blocks. They made it in Germany, in Sweden, and also in the US, and also at our own Nova College. And when you got a small block, you can also create a bigger block.
The benefit for the students is so important because they are considered as human beings who can contribute to our professional society. It's important as university work because that's life. The two parts should not be so divided, but they have to stick together, and that was for me a sort of enthusiasm.
We are now in the room where all the printing is being done. Our students have been very industrious and they created new things.
We're going in rocket speed and we're developing and we're working, and it's fantastic good to see how everything is going on. And considering the situation in Europe and the world today, I think a project with the title One for All is more relevant and more needed than ever before.
Thank you very much, and that's Ulrike.
Wow! And also behind you, this is 3D printed elephant grass. It's super sustainable. It has a very low footprint. We made this a message of our society here at Nova College with our guest from Sweden. I want you to take a moment for yourself.
Hey.
Het zijn twee dingen. Start van nieuw materiaal, nieuwe wereld, nieuwe spullen. En de berichten en de message van de jongens.
We invited our German colleagues and students And so we combined completing building block 2 with building up the bigger statue. What did you do?
So,
Nico?
Matteo indeed mostly did the middle part of the statue. Paris and Luke, I believe, and some other Dutch students did the head and the floor part.
What was the difficulty of sorting all the parts out?
The connections were not easy to find on the drawing, but we finally get it like it's now.
This side is Noah's group, I think. My group side is here and so on. And I think we have learned a lot this project.
We present them the plates that we have drawn and printed in Germany. I have chosen this plate because gender equality is very important to me.
The plate should express that all people should be healthy. The medical care can be generated.
I gave all the students a big compliment because it's building block 2. We got a new tutorial and we got great results.
So what are you doing?
Well, we just put to support beam some for the solar panels. Now we're trying to reassemble the face actually, but the screw won't go straight in. Dit is mijn tweede keer in Duitsland. Ik ben alleen nog niet in Zweden geweest, maar voor mij, als ik het goed heb gehoord, komt dat er nog wel aan.
Well, we need a solar panel so we can have light in the side of the head. We are going to have plexiglass here on the sides, so we want some lights inside so it got lit up.
Wat ben je aan het doen?
Ik ben nu aan het tekenen voor wat we wouden eigenlijk hier op deze platen wouden. Dus vooral met alles wat op school erop hebben, met de week waar we nu bezig zijn. Ik denk dat aan het tekenen, zodat we een beetje een idee hebben van hoe het eruit zou kunnen komen te zien. En dat ga ik dan straks erop tekenen.
Dat is leuk van zo'n project als dit, dat iedereen mee kan doen. En daarom heet het ook One for All. De titel dekt de lading, zeggen we dan. Wij moeten samenwerken binnen de westerse samenleving. En dit is daar een heel mooi voorbeeld van. Zoals wij als scholen dat kunnen aanbieden. En zoals jonge mensen dat supersnel oppikken.
I was really positively surprised that the doors are wide open for enhancing students from this professional fields to work in the European program.
Ik denk dat het een beetje inzicht toevoegt tot de wereld.
Inzicht in de wereld?
Dat als zodra jij bijvoorbeeld, zodra wij een tekeningetje maken, een 3D-tekening op de computer, dat wij dan een thema kiezen en dat we daar onderzoek in doen. Laten we zeggen onder water leven. Dan ga je daar onderzoek in doen wat er daar aan verbeterd in kan worden. En dan zie je dingen zoals een grote plastic soep en vervuiling. En ik denk dat dat een heel grote inspiratie kan zijn om dat dan te verbeteren en dat dan te laten zien in een 3D-tekening.
It teaches you a lot about not only the project itself and all of the technology behind it, but also it teaches me about myself and about my own development in this and getting to know my own limits and what I'm capable of.
De resultaten die we zien, zo door het project heen, dat is gewoon mooi. Wat ik erg mooi vind is het 3D geprinte werk. Wat ik ook heel mooi vind is dat de solar panels heel mooi en precies passend op het hoofd van het grote beeld staan. En als ik dan zie hoe die jongeren samenwerken, dan zie je precies, wat is de bedoeling van zo'n project als dit? Dit is de bedoeling van zo'n project als dit.
It's working fine. We did the wiring for the solar panels
and now we're gonna add the battery and the lightning.
Well, show me the light. Wow.
You can see it is really small, plus and minus. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you have between that one and that one you have a switch.
Ik vind vaak dat de docent het verschil kan maken in de klas regulier, maar ook in een project als dit. En als je ziet dat de docenten echt een stap gaan maken, ja, dan straalt het uit op de klas en op de groep. Teacher training in One for All means using a talking stick. And using a talking stick is a really simple principle. So when you got the stick, everybody's quiet and we are listening to each other. It's like a microphone. And why it's a useful tool in our education system is because you need to listen to each other. There are always people in your team or in your class, they are talk too much. There are always people in your class or in your team that you don't hear. At the start of a teacher training like this, we share. So your left hand open. Yes. Now we are connected. Physical. When you're doing this, you got to say Wayankiye. That means I see you. Wayankiye. Thank you. All right? Okay. Start off. Do you always with a big circle? What do you like most about your job? If you don't want to say anything, that's also okay. That's not my topic, or that I don't want to share something. That's also okay. You're going to pass it. Thank you all. And this was teacher training number 2. I do it start of a new school year with my students before Christmas and before summer break.
We must thinking before answer the question, and the thinking is important.
It will be good for the atmosphere in the class and so on.
It makes all the students talk, even though they don't say so much.
But I also can see using them with my colleagues, you know, particularly about some topics that might be difficult to talk about.
There are in each class students that are too shy to talk or to ask things.
Give people a chance to be honest and open.
The teacher training is very stimulating, gives a lot of impulses and creates a good atmosphere.
Everyone both gets to speak and have to speak, so you really can't escape. You have to come up with something, so everybody's ideas come forth.
Wij kiezen uiteraard voor quality education, want ik denk dat dit ook een mooie toevoeging aan het bestaande onderwijs is. We kiezen ook voor goal nummer 17. Dat is partnerships binnen de SDG, scholen die daar handen en voeten aan gaan geven. En innovation, dit is een vorm van innovatief onderwijs. En uiteraard goal nummer 12, verantwoordelijke productie. Dat zie je ook terug in het printen van het olifantsgas. Wat het mooie is dat elke nieuwe school, of in Duitsland, Zweden, Amerika, Nederland, mee wordt genomen door de bestaande school in dit project.
I'm quite proud to be part of this project, and of course we are happy that it grows.
Als voorbeeld hier in Duitsland gaat BBS Soltau gaat samenwerken met BBS Verden.
I was very interested when I first heard about this project in Berlin. I thought, wow, what a great idea, what a great possibility for students. I think this is something that students who participate in this project really have something in their CV and in their portfolio to show companies what they did so far.
I like it a lot because it's very nice to move in the other countries, see how they work on different projects. And for me, I like it a lot because I can improve a bit my English skills.
Het is gewoon hartstikke leuk. Je bent in het buitenland, je oefent met een nieuwe taal. Je komt in contact met hele andere leerlingen. Daar kan ook een hele leuke vriendschap uit ontstaan. En het is gewoon hartstikke gezellig.
I think if you're looking for something exciting, and if you're looking for a challenge, and also both in the technical aspect, but also in the more fluffy aspect of getting to know yourself, then absolutely, it's amazing.
It is amazing to see out of a small seed this project that has grown out of that very beginning.
Each one of you, as student of vocational education, carries a crucial role in achieving the sustainable goals as set forth in the United Nations. Your practical skills and hands-on expertise are the building blocks for a brighter and more sustainable future.
I am a true believer in the power of collaboration.
You developed so-called hard technical skills, but you also developed soft skills. Cooperating with unknown fellow students, adapting to a new country, realizing that the message regarding sustainability transcends cultures, language and background.
Oakton is looking forward to the extended version, to what's going to come in the future, and continuing to work with all of you. So thank you again so much, and congratulations.